Hi guys, it's District Gamer Writer here. So today we're going to have the pistol only challenge while wearing the agent skin. I mean a professional agent, an Agent John C. Agent Fishy, nicknamed Basson. Basson, I think. I think it's Basson, okay guys, I don't know. It's Basson, I don't know. It's a rare yeah. So everyone heal up on me. Hey default terrible. You don't want free rewards. A terrible default. You don't like free rewards. So bye bye. Free gold. Thank you. And I got some free gold today for heist. Because teammate leaves. Going 40 sprints to open my locker. Actually, I'm gonna steal some locker. So what's everyone else? Yay, we got someone in our team. So Mr. Madrid Skater. Mr. Skater is in our team. And Bob is now marking it seems to our destiny. He must come here, right? Yeah, he's coming. I'm a robber, guys. See my money. Take out the money, my glider. Ah ha ha ha. Money disappearing. Look, it's disappearing. Killing one like here. I don't have anything, but still. But thing is that I can only use pistols. Everyone knows that. It's only pistols. Yep, but in this one here, I need a suppressed pistol in my job. And I take whatever this is called. This pistol too. Got 2 pistols on my job. And kill a guy. What's my loot? My guy. That's good. Hey bro, yeah. And I got this. This, whatever it is called. I know, but still. Here's mine, okay. Okay, my teammates. I have hand cannon, so raise up your hand. That's good. Actually, I can use check splashes bad news. So mates, you can use it. And come here right now. Because I have some heals though. Not just robber this thing. I do robber this thing heal. Now I do it. Agent Fishy. I'm on a mission to conquer this area. What bug did I got? Something good, something good. This thing. When we can make like an exception because like a robbery theme this video is. One's like pistols only, but robbery weapons are included, guys. Just stay at my teammates we will call and he to get our news. And not just kill the boss and do whatever I want. And it is still there. Something wrong with this one. Why is it so bad? And last strike with the pistol. What was she even doing? We're gonna take this one. I take this. Hey, don't take that. I need my key card more, bruh. Okay, I don't have my pistol. Wait. I just did that now. For a second, people. People, wait, bruh. Okay, now to go up. And I'm dead, Agent Fishy. But this is good. Some hope to use my mission. Just take that one. Teammates, help me. No, none of you guys. Come on, just need to help me like for 1 second. I'm just rebooting that idiotic guy. Can you just help me for 1 second, bro? No one? But just revive me like until revive. Be like revived. Stop building it, revive me quickly. There's some good weapons in my hand. I'm an Agent Fishy because I had a key card. We can do over this bank. Ha 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 ha. Thank you, mister. Whoever you are. For that. It's really helpful, so you're promoted. Right now. Bye-bye, bro. I'm obtuse. Wait, what, bro? Oh my god, who hired you? Hey, bro. Fishy on me. Think fishy on me, bro. Sure. What's that? I hate you, team guy. And ran out. Bad. Don't kill me. Do something only. Bye-bye. Have a nice day. Have a terrible day. I'm gonna kill you soon enough. Hey, bro. Just kill me. Your teammate, okay? I'm not your team, but still. It's a robber. Won't you guys tactic? I'm trying to rob her, okay? You didn't make my plans fail. And healing sounds good. Something to heal up. Which is good. Is it good? Don't kill me. Oh, come on. Just bro, we talked about this. Funny I talked. You are so irritating. Oh, finally. You're ridiculous finally. Team so we can go to High State Bank. I can finally hide the What the heck happened here? Okay, good. This is not where I want to go. I was like so scared, like the whole thing was like broken. Did you heal up? It's the worst thing ever. Hate this. Hate it. This is the worst thing I ever knew before. Okay, actually, we can use high step and that's like cheating. But I never use it. Fine, just use it for killing the boss, right? Like, that's alright. Any robbery thing? No stuff to rob, seriously. Oh, great. The thing is coming. And you get this ammo quickly. And you get this college. I just need to college this boss right now, boss. Come on, see, you need to keep coming. Thank you. Thank you. You got some bars right now. And more now. I need a boss right now. Boss. Yeah, good. This is good. Aha, I'm stealing loot. Oh no, come on. Nope. We got a special way to go right now. See? The rift we have. It's a special way to get out. Haha! We successfully robbed a bank. It's amazing. I'm just collect like a single loot from there. Because we can only use like pistols. Okay. Oh, great, guys. Someone is ready to help us. Long shotgun, right? Your name is Good Boy. Come to my crew. Now we got some stealing to do. And you're gonna die now. Now, Deborah, my obtuse. You cheater. Let's take like so some gold from you. Take this. Just heal up. Right now, I'll die. I don't mind. It's just healing for me. Oh, good. They got some heals. And I'm healing up. It will be like amazing if I get Victory Royale. What's this? And I take this one. Rift Gate. A Rift Gate. Secret Rift Gate. So I escape. The agent fish. On duty. Anyone to kill? No one, seriously? Like a single guy should be there. And no one, great. Yeah, no one. You want to miss here, so call me if you want to. Something like an NPC, make a boss right now. The boss. Secret boss. Never mind. I got some people to kill. How am I so good? Nope. You're not going to kill me. Hey, bro. Yep, I'm bad at heisting. Hasting, I think. I mean. Oh, good God, bro. I got scared about you. I'm scared. And then I'm gonna... After you're gonna die, bro. Yay, we killed him. I hate the people now. Teammates, team, help me like on something. You get like bad, but still. A chest. Yeah, I can supposed to use that. You can use that. You're gonna die, that's what you know. Bye-bye, Billy. Sage and Fishy, so listen to me. Where are you? Gonna die, bro. And you ran away now. Now, I'm exactly like running away because I'm gonna die right now. So bye bye, bro. I'm gonna die. She lived. I don't think I'm okay with Cheryl. That's just spy agent me on duty. I hate this pistol actually, like, I hate it. Anyone in duty? I'm a terrible builder, but still. Sometimes they're gonna like hide here. No, I mean, never mind. And he's actually reporting me. Oh, great, died. Like 2 people trying to kill me. Sad. But we got some aliens, right? 2 people were trying to kill me, so I couldn't get a victory royal. So that's up for today. So bye, guys.